Hey everyone, F27 here, in the garage of dreams. There's the old girl, self-isolating. Not allowed out, are we? It's the coronavirus pandemic. We've all got to be good. I'm on furlough, she's got no MOT, so having to keep myself busy some other way. Lots of decorating, re-landscaping the garden, repaired my drive and looking around for other things to do. However, more on that in a second. While I'm here, thanks everybody who stayed subscribed to the channel, and many thanks to the new subscribers. I've just broke the 50 mark. I think last check I was on 52 subscribers, so a bit of a milestone. 100 subscribers is the next one. It took me ages to get to this stage, so we'll see how long we go, because I don't chase subs, so we'll wait and see. Anyway, thanks very much. Like I say, we're here in the garage of dreams, but it doesn't look very dreamlike at the moment. And so landscaping the garden, so I'm waiting on a brand new shed, which should be here next Wednesday. So most of the crap that we're seeing here at the moment will be transferred. Anyway, like I said, kept myself busy. But on a bike related thing, I've been stockpiling, coronavirus pandemic stockpiling for a bike. So no toilet rolls, but we have got cush drive rubbers, sprocket carrier bearing, that needs changing definitely, and obviously I'll check those, and that's why I bought those just in case. Rear brake pads, oil filter with a new magnetic sump bolt, air filter, spark plugs are on the way. They're the replacement front indicators. I've done the rear ones, I've just got to do those, but the fairings have got to come off for that. So while the fairings are off doing this, the coolant, new oil, I bought that as well, because I don't want to keep using the washing up bowl and having to buy a new one. I've got a bit of oil left there as well, but that was a bargain. Front headstock paddock stand, so I can do some work on the front wheel. My other paddock stands are just down there. Even the cat likes it in here because it's quiet. I've stolen one of my sports bike shop boxes, keep itself nice and comfy. So like a sports bike shop, superb. Some of these things are from sports bike shop, some are from Demon Tweaks, some are from Moto, and some are from eBay. I'll put links down below, but you should all know who they are unless you've been living under a rock for the last 20 years. New socket for the rear axle with an adapter, breaker bar. Those are the spindles for the front paddock stand. Spindle keys new, spark plug spanner is new, torque wrench I've had for a while, bushing and bearing driver set, it's off eBay. I don't know how long that will last, but we'll give it a try. Just trying to get bits and pieces together, I think, so that once I've got through the wife's decorating list and my garage is a bit clearer, I can get in here and do a bit of work on the old girl. So there we go, not much more to add really, not a lot we can do, is there? If I get the opportunity to get the camera set up for any of the work I might do on the bike, I'll try and record something, put something up, and we'll see how that goes. Just want to get out. Just want to get out on the bike. But there you go, I'm sure everybody's the same. Anyway, that's about it for now. So don't forget, if you want to, like the video, leave a comment below. Let me know what you're doing. Hit that subscribe button if you've not been here before. Check out my other videos, you'll see what sort of stuff I tend to post. And there we have it. Catch you all in the next one. See ya. Ta-ra.